It is happening, the official MetaMask Season 1 airdrop. And yes, you can earn a share of over $30 million. And the nicest thing is, if you follow my steps, you will be able to earn 2 times the points that you will normally earn. So, what should you do to start earning points for the MetaMask airdrop? If you have been waiting for the next big on-chain reward, this could be huge for all of us. Do you remember the Arbitrum airdrop, the Layer 0 airdrop, and many others? Some people were able to claim thousands of dollars just from a free airdrop. So I want to make sure that I'm early, that I start earning points, do my best, and receive a free bag of money. Who doesn't love some free money? So in this video, I will walk you through the exact steps how to earn points, how to level up, and set yourself ready for the payout. On the official MetaMask website, we can read that they are giving away over $30 million in tokens. We can read, get more out of your crypto with MetaMask Rewards. Over 30 million USD worth of Linea is up for grab in Season 1. So we can also expect more seasons of big projects. And I really think that all of these seasons together will be having an end result. And the end result will probably be the mask token itself. We don't know, there's nothing confirmed, but it makes sense to run maybe 1, 2, 3 seasons. And after that, all of the participants receive also a mask airdrop. So here's the deal. MetaMask is running a loyalty program. It is not just a token drop, it is points based. And through the mobile app reward tab, you can start earning points and get aliable with your actions like swapping, bridging, trading, and all of these points will stack up and level you up. And the higher level you will be and the more points you earned, the bigger share you will earn of the $30 million. And the nicest thing is there's no upper limit for earning points. You can earn as much points as you want. Here is exactly what you need to do today to start earning points. The first thing is download MetaMask on your mobile. And in case you haven't already, update it to the latest version because it's only possible to sign up through the mobile app. Once you are inside your mobile app, on the right side corner, there is mentioned reward. You will see this screen, but make sure you will get your free 250 points based on this video and the 2 times reward by using my affiliate code. Make sure that you follow the steps in this video. Why? Because you will be able to start straight away with 250 points extra, and also you will get 2 times the reward as normal. After clicking on reward, you will see this screen. Season 1 is live. Claim 250 points. You will see next and skip. Click on next 2 or 3 times. First you see earn points on every trade, level up for bigger perks, and make sure you click on next until you reach this screen. You will earn 250 points when you sign up. Fill in the following code as you see in the screen right now, and with this code you will make sure that you get a 250 points extra completely for free, and you will start earning 2 times the amount of points you will usually earn. After signing up, you will see this screen. You can see ways to earn: swap 80 points per $100, perps 10 points per $100, and refer a friend. You can also start referring your friends and let them also be available for this airdrop. And of course, it's important to keep on swapping, and I will mostly earn my points from perps. Why? Because I'm trading it that also on scalp trading. And in case you also want to start perp trading, scalp trading and stuff like that, but you don't have the knowledge to follow these trades, the nicest thing is we have Automated Alpha, a Discord community where we teach people and also let people meet other like-minded people in the crypto space. And we have hired an official scalp trader who were able to make more than 300% since February on his trades. You can see all his trades in the Discord, completely transparent, and he is killing it. At the reward section inside our server, multiple people are also posting about their winning trades. So if you want to start earning points based on knowledge and not just gambling, then you can join the Automated Alpha Discord channel and you can start following these trades to farm more points. Why this can be huge? MetaMask has millions of active users worldwide. When a loyalty program this size drops a linear reward, it is likely to be one of the largest crypto events in crypto history. And if you compare with other major programs like Arbitrum, Optimism, or Layer 0, early participants unlock thousands of dollars in token value. And MetaMask this time, it's a point-based program, not just based on an old wallet or something. Everybody has the same chance to win points. So again, if you want to stay ahead of this reward program and every major airdrop in the future, join the Automated Alpha Discord server. We also post there every morning a morning market video where we talk about the market in just 5 minutes, so you will stay up to date about what is going on. If you have any other question, let me know in the comments, and I see you in the next video. Good luck with farming points. Bye bye.